If you want to hide your Squarespace site from search results, this video will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. This is really useful if your site is still being built, if you're working on a private project, or if you simply don't want search engines indexing your pages yet. I'll show you the easiest way to block search engine crawlers inside Squarespace, and by the end, your site will be set up the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step website guides. Now let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace site dashboard and make sure you're signed into the account that manages the website you want to hide. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Settings, which is the gear icon. This is where Squarespace keeps your site-wide options, including privacy and indexing controls. After you open Settings, look for the Crawler section and click on it. This menu controls whether search engines like Google and Bing are allowed to scan your site. Inside crawlers, you'll see a checkbox labeled exactly Block Search Engine Crawlers. Go ahead and check that box. This tells Squarespace to stop allowing search engines to crawl and index your website pages. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep your site out of public search results. After checking the box, don't forget the final step. Move to the top corner of the screen and click Save. This is what applies your change and makes sure Squarespace remembers your crawler setting. Once you save, your site will be configured to block search engine crawlers, which means it should no longer be publicly discoverable through search engines over time. Keep in mind that search engines may take some time to update their indexes, so the change may not happen instantly everywhere. If you ever want your site to appear in search results again, you can come back to this same crawler setting and uncheck the box. That's all there is to it. You've now hidden your Squarespace site from search results using the built-in crawler settings. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, website setup tips, and beginner-friendly how-to guides.